Good morning, students. We'll be studying about marginal information for the topographical maps of the Survey of India. This information includes the details about basic nature of the topo sheets, and the Survey of India, as we have seen, publishes maps at different series which we have studied already while looking at the indexing of the topographical maps. For the marginal information, there is a fixed pattern and a fixed position for each kind of information, which helps us in understanding or which helps even a layman uh, to read the topo sheet. Let us have a look at them. So here it is. The Roman 1 to 10 here signify the different kinds of information. For instance, if we start with the Roman 1, here is the position of the name of the district. There may be one district or more districts if the area is overlapping in different regions. Second is the year when the region was surveyed. So the year is given at this position. The third is the name of the state or the title of the map, from which we can understand if it is an old map or a new map. The present maps have the name of the states after the reorganization of the states was done. In some of the old maps, you can see eastern states, Orissa or Bombay province. In this manner, different titles can give an indication about the age of the map. The fourth is the magnetic variation from true north. There are different types of north: magnetic north, true north, and grid north. In this, the information about the variation of magnetic north and true north are represented. The fifth is the position of the index number, which is a convenient place. If there is a big stack of topo sheets, you can easily pick out this corner for finding out the topo sheet which you require. The sixth A and sixth B represent the signs and symbols. These are the conventional signs and symbols. Normally for the A side on the left, we have more of physical features, and on the B side you have cultural features. We'll be studying these signs and symbols separately. Then number 7 is the index to sheets, which gives the information about the surrounding topo sheets. If you are interested in more information about what lies to the east or to the west or to the north or south, you get the information here. The eighth one is about the scale and contour interval. The scale is given in all types: RF, verbal scale, and graphical scale. Then we have the year of publication. We can compare the year of publication and year of survey and find out if there is a time lag. Probably you need to update some of the data if you are doing a detailed survey. Then the next is the index to sheets, where we are looking at the administrative the next is the administrative index, where we are looking at the important boundaries which are there within the map, and these boundaries are represented in this square. So this is all the information which is represented in the topo sheets, and we will just take an example so that we can understand it better. So in short, it is divided into two parts. We see information along the upper margin and information along the lower margin. Now, along the upper margin, as we have seen, we have the name of the district or districts. Then the second is the year when the area was surveyed. Third is the title or the name of the state. Fourth is the magnetic variation, and the last is the index number. Along the lower margin, we have the conventional signs and symbols which are represented in the two boxes on the left and the right along the lower margin. Then we have the index to sheets, Then there are the representation of the different scales. Above that we have the year of publication, and finally we have the administrative index, which is given in the small square. So this is the example of Maharashtra, where we have taken the topo sheet number 47F by 15. In this we can see the name of the district is Pune. 1979-80 was the year of survey. This is the title, Maharashtra. The magnetic variation is 1.5 degrees west in 1975. Then we can see the latitudinal and longitudinal extent is also represented. 18 degrees 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 18 degrees 30 minutes, and 73 degrees 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and 74 degrees 0 minutes east. Then the signs and symbols are given in these boxes. Usually the physical features are on this side and cultural features on this side. Then the scale is represented in the center of all the three types, and above that we have the year of publication, which is 1983. Now index to sheets can be understood clearly here. The number of this topo sheet which we have in front of us, 47F by 15, is here, and the number of the surrounding topo sheets is given in this index to sheets. Now in the administrative index, since there are no other boundaries, covers only one district, there is no boundary given here, or else you may have uh, many other examples in the Department of Geography in Wadia College, where you can come and have a look at various topo sheets and check out the marginal information to understand it better. Thank you.